Hey everyone, got a weird charge from YouTube TV or need to update your payment info? No stress, I got you. Here's how to troubleshoot a YouTube TV charge, update your payment method, and even cancel if you need to. Check if you are logged into the right Google account. Visit pay.google.com and check your transaction history. Look for YouTube TV under subscription and services. If the church doesn't look right, click on it to view details. Sometimes it's just billing cycles catching up. Now let's talk about updating your payment. Click your profile picture in YouTube TV. Go to settings, then tap billing. Next to payment method, click update. From there, you can add a new credit card, switch your default method, or remove an old one, all inside Google Pay. And if you are thinking of canceling YouTube TV, you can totally do that too. Just go back to settings, membership, and hit cancel. You won't be charged again after your current billing period ends. Whether you are just updating your card or double checking a charge, YouTube TV makes it pretty simple. If this helped you out, give the video a like, and if you still got questions, drop them in the comments.